Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Kenny and today we're going to be making a honey butter gochujang chicken recipe. Now honey butter gochujang is one of my favorite sauces to use on any piece of chicken, whether it be fried, grilled, or just sauteed in the frying pan. So come on, follow me into the kitchen and I'm going to show you how I make it. Alrighty, first things first, let's go over the ingredients for the sauce. I have about a tablespoon and a half of butter here. We're going to use about a tablespoon of gochujang, some mirin, probably about a teaspoon of mirin, teaspoon of soy sauce, another teaspoon of rice vinegar, a tablespoon of honey, and some red pepper flakes. Now, if you want it spicy, add a lot. You could also add a lot more gochujang than I do as well. All right, so let's go to the stove and get all this prepped and ready to go. All right, I got the fire going on a low heat and I'm gonna start melting the butter. While the butter is starting to melt, I'm gonna add in just about a teaspoon of mirin and about a teaspoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of rice vinegar, a pinch of red chili flakes to go in there, and some gochujang. There we go. And don't forget the honey. A good amount of honey to get that sweet and savory flavor there. About a tablespoon if you want it sweeter. I like mine a tad sweeter, so I'm going to say a tablespoon and a half. And go ahead, gently whisk that. Has a very nice aroma of butter, some honey, and gochujang. It's a really sweet and spicy smell going on right now. Okay, the sauce is ready to go. Alright, so next let's prepare the chicken thighs. I've already taken the bone out of here, but we're keeping the skin on. And we're gonna season that with just salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Just a light seasoning because the sauce does pack quite the punch. Good amount of garlic powder as well. There we go, and just rub it in. All right, chicken is prepped to go. Now let's cook this up real quick. Next, heat up your frying pan, and once it's heated, add in some oil. Now bring along your chicken with you, and we're gonna put down skin first. Now once you put it in the frying pan, skin down, don't touch it, don't flip it, don't look at it the wrong way, just let it cook for 10 minutes on the skin. We want the skin to be nice and crispy. Alright, so it's been exactly about 10 minutes. I've had it on a low heat, and if we flip it over, it should be nice and crispy. There we go, that's what we want to see. Crispy skin on the chicken. Flipped it over, we're going to cook that for about 2 minutes on the other side. And while it's cooking, you see all that excess oil there? Now, when we put the sauce in, it's going to splash back at you, so try to get as much of that as you can with a paper towel. Just kind of soak that up a bit. Alright, so it's been about 2 minutes now. Now we are going to drown it in sauce. Just put the sauce in right on top of the chicken. And let that cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And you can baste as well. Baste it in that sauce. Get that extra flavor on there. Okay, so it's been cooking for another 2 minutes or so. I'm gonna baste it one more time. That sticky, yummy sauce on there. Super delicious, sweet and spicy. Look at that, yeah. The honey's helped make it nice and sticky. All right, let's get ready to serve this up. Chop this up one at a time. And you could hear that crispy skin. Look at that. Nice and juicy right there. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. All right, and let's get ready to plate that up. I got a pile of kimchi here. I thought it would go well with this chicken dish. I'll lay first one and second one right there. There we go. And then drizzle on whatever leftover sauce that you have. There we go. I made a lot of sauce, so you could definitely make more than 2 chicken thighs. Probably about, probably 4, maybe even 6 of them. And there we have it, my honey butter gochujang chicken, ready to be served. Well, let's go ahead and dig in. Itadakimasu. Wow, this looks absolutely amazing. My gosh, take a look. Glazed, juicy, goodness. That is amazing. Sweet, savory, and packs a punch with spice. Now this is a recipe that your spouse, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your family members are absolutely going to love. It is super bomb. Serve it up with some rice, some noodles, vegetables. Can't go wrong. Thank you for watching today's video, friends. If you liked today's recipe, make sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below from time to time because it gives me the energy to make you guys more recipes. And I'll see you back at the canteen again real soon.